Klynt grants you access to exceptional Swiss watches at great value. For years, intrigued by the charm of Haute Horlogerie and inspired by architecture and modern design, Klynt, a Geneva-based company, reveals the watchmaker's technical mastery in a most visually striking display. In the heart of Geneva, we perpetuate the Swiss watchmaking tradition. Each timepiece is carefully set, assembled and controlled by our Haute Horlogerie artisan, the only way to achieve the highest quality and precision. Today, Klynt is extremely proud to introduce to you its initial collection, Elegance Contemporaine, presenting 4 exclusive models to perfectly match your very own style.
After several rounds of prototyping, we are very satisfied with the quality of our pre-series. Now, we need your support to unlock production. So back these projects and get your exclusive access to our exceptional timepieces.
Together, let's make Swiss watches great again.
Thank you.